ice cream guys mayingagaleli ngathi umuntu ice cream angayigaleli ngathi hayi thina support wena nge-ice cream hayi umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna ugaleli wenza milkshake ice cream umuntu hayi baphila kamnandi abantu balala 24/7 abathi good day sir abantu abangathi good day sir jonako umuntu angasebenzi angathini afuna ugaleli wenza milkshake.
TikTok is a very powerful place, so I know there is a neighbor, there is someone that knows who this guy is. I want to buy him all the ice cream he wants to eat for the balance of December. As a matter of fact, amakeke akismuzi unawo yini, does he have them? Because you can't be disciplining someone and your only line of discipline is because akasebenzi, it's because he doesn't have a job. As if there aren't millions of people in South Africa that don't have jobs. 2025 has not been easy for most of us. Now this man must be afraid to tata ukudla kubo. Since niyakhulumela ukudla kubo, ngicela ukuthenga ke mina ngizothenga nanogesi. Ngizothenga nanogesi. I will buy even the electricity so that he can store the food because angifuni nimkhulumele. Namanzi nimtshela ukuthi water bill imalini so that he can enjoy his December freely. I will do it. Ngizokwenza. Cala ningitholeleni ubhuti. And you know, it's a crazy thing. I know I'm not the only one that's going to help this man out because you can't ukhulumela ice cream ka 100 rand. Ngaphela lo ice cream nyawazi lo 5 litro ka 100 rand. Mela ngawudli nangawe enjoy because he's not working. Anengitholeleni ubhuti mina ngizomthengela ice cream. Negrosa azothi mayivula nepaloni ayisike any which way he wants. This video hurt me actually. It wasn't even funny.
Nang nomuntu benimfuna nithi wathatha lo beka trenda uhlala lana. Anga
ngisapheka umdoko mfethu nyela.
Funa khona lokho. Tsho mawasho ukuthi unabangani.
Selimpitshi zami sapheka umdoko silambile.
Angazi ukuthi nambile mara ngithi.
NgoDecember sivuka ngomdoko.
TikTok was livid as this guy was being shamed with ice cream. One TikToker said, knowing myself, I'll never eat ice cream. Lord, why you Omunye what I can't stand people who talk for food. Omunga Ario, I hate poverty. Someone always so much noise for ice cream. Such mean words over ice cream ya roots. Dominic Atini and she's now offering to help him since people are just attacking him in just for with ice cream. Guys, come on, man. Let's not do that.